a fine September night. A thin white moon rose over the valley. Peter, 11 years old, did not see the moon. He did not feel the cold September breeze blow into the kitchen, for his thoughts were fixed on the red and black blanket on the kitchen table. See the first sentence. It was a fine September night. The time is given here. Who can translate this sentence? Raise your hand. Yes. Okay, translate it. It was a fine September night.
ये सितंबर की एक उम्दा रात थी.
Good, very good. It was a fine September night. ये सितंबर की एक उम्दा रात थी. A thin white moon rose over the valley. This is past indefinite tense. A thin white moon. This part of sentence is a subject. Rose is verb. We see past form. Rose over the valley. Now who can translate? Translate it. Yes. Okay, translate it.
एक पतला और सफेद चांद वादी के ऊपर तलू हुआ.
Very good. That's right. एक सफेद पतला चांद वादी के ऊपर तलू हुआ. Peter, 11 years old, did not see the moon. Once again, we see past indefinite tense. Who can translate?
पीटर 11 साल जिसने चांद को देखा.
11 साल पीटर ने चांद को नहीं देखा था. We see the past form of do, that is did, in this sentence. It is a negative sentence. He did not feel the cool September breeze blow into the kitchen. Who can translate?
He did not feel the cool September breeze blow into the kitchen. उसने महसूस नहीं की सितंबर की ठंडी हवा जो किचन में चल रही थी.
But he did not feel past indefinite tense कि उसने महसूस नहीं की the cool September breeze, September की ठंडी हवा blow into the kitchen, kitchen में चलते हुए. For his thoughts were fixed on a red and black blanket on the kitchen table. For here means because. Okay, you translate.
क्योंकि उसकी सोच जमी हुई थी एक सुर्ख और काले कमरे पर जो किचन की टेबल पर था.
Very good. That's correct translation. Next paragraph. The blanket was a gift from his dad to his granddad, a going away gift. Now we are given the introduction of the blanket. In this sentence, the writer tells about the blanket. What was the blanket? It was a gift from his dad. It was a gift from his dad, means the father of Peter, which was bought by his father. The blanket was bought by his father as a gift, and he was giving this gift to his granddad. Peter's father was giving this blanket as a gift to his own father. So the father of Peter's father was the grandfather of Peter. Okay, translate.
कमल एक तोहफा था उसके वालिद की तरफ से उसके दादा को देने के लिए.
Good. Correct sentence. Correct translation. They said that granddad was going away. That's why they called it going away. Who can translate? They said this is again a past indefinite tense. That granddad was going away. This is past continuous. They said past indefinite. Granddad was going away. This is past continuous because along with was we see the ing form. Was plus ing form. This structure is used in past continuous tense. Now translate this sentence. Okay, translate it.
उन्होंने कहा कि दादा जा रहे हैं, यही वजह है कि उसे गोइंग अवे गिफ्ट कहा.
That's good. Next paragraph. Peter had not really believed his dad would send granddad away. Peter had not really believed. First of all, understand the sentence, structure and tense. Peter had not really believed. Peter is the subject in this sentence. Had not. This is past perfect. Had plus third form of verb. This sentence structure is used in past perfect. Past perfect tense. You see the word really between had and believed. Believe is the main verb. That is the third form of verb which is used here. And really is adverb. Okay? Peter had not really believed his dad would send granddad away. Now we are given the idea which was in Peter's mind. Peter was not ready to believe the fact that his granddad was leaving the home. Now translate. Very good. Who will translate? Okay, translate it.
पीटर ने हकीकत में यकीन नहीं किया कि उसका वालिद उसके दादा को बेच देगा।
पीटर को हकीकत में यकीन नहीं था कि उसके वालिद उसके दादा को बेच देंगे।
A bit louder. Speak.
पीटर को हकीकत में यकीन नहीं था कि उसके वालिद उसके दादा को बेच देंगे।
See the next sentence. But now there it was the going away gift. Okay, translate it.
लेकिन अब यह था कि जाने के वक्त देने वाला
Translate it.
खाने के बाद देने वाला तोहफा।
But now लेकिन अब here it was वहाँ एक साथ the going away gift जाने के बाद देने वाला तोहफा।
Yes, that's a good translation. Next sentence. Don't talk. Dad had bought it.